In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the location has been turned off by an admin error on Windows 11. This error can be quite frustrating, especially when you rely on location services for various apps and services on your device. But don't worry, I've got a simple set of steps that should help you resolve this issue and get your location services back up and running. To start, let's head over to your computer's settings. You can do this by clicking on the Start menu and then selecting the gear icon, which represents settings. Once you've opened the Settings app, you'll want to look for the Privacy and Security section in the left-hand pane. Click on it to reveal more options. Now find and click on Location, as this is where we'll make the necessary adjustments to turn your location services back on. Inside the location settings, the first thing you want to do is ensure that the location services toggle is turned on. This toggle is essential because it controls the overall ability of your device to use and share your location data. Simply click on the toggle if it's off, and it'll switch to on. Next, you'll find another important setting right beneath it. Let apps access your location. It's crucial to enable this setting because it allows your installed apps to access your location, as long as you consent. This is particularly handy for apps like Maps, Weather, or any service that requires location information to function optimally. If this is turned off, click the toggle to switch it on as well. Now you might encounter a situation where these toggles are grayed out, preventing you from turning them on or off. If this happens, don't panic. It typically means there are some additional steps required, possibly due to restrictions imposed by system policies or an administrator account. In such cases, the first thing you should do is check if you have the necessary permissions to change these settings. Make sure you're operating on an account with administrative privileges. If you're unsure, try signing into the administrator account or reach out to someone who manages the network or device settings. If you're already using an administrator account and the toggles are still unresponsive, consider checking for any group policy restrictions that may be affecting your system. To do this, you can use the Group Policy Editor feature on Windows 11. Note that this option is available on certain editions of Windows, like Pro or Enterprise. You can access it by typing gpedit.msc in the Run dialog and configuring the location settings accordingly. I hope this walkthrough has helped you tackle the location has been turned off by an admin error on your Windows 11 device. With these steps, you should be able to restore full functionality to your location services and continue using your applications without any hitches. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to share it with anyone else who might be experiencing similar issues.